He's talking a lot, man.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
Value
No.
and y'all having to build it up.
No, that's not what. That's my point.
No,
It's like,
before that.
it was before that. Like you just be going on tangents, bro. That's why I gotta stop you because like it's just
Listen,
like
No, because it's
listen,
deep.
Listen,
no. It's
sorry. Go ahead,
Chris. Go ahead.
Sorry. I'll be real here. You're old as fuck. Guys don't care what the fuck you think right now. Like,
I know
back
they
then in
don't.
the past,
That's because they functionally retarded. I expect that.
Well, but hey, listen, I won't lie to you. Like, you're old as fuck. Guys don't care what the fuck you think. So all you have to do is get the gap.
Listen, I don't care what they think. I'm not here. Listen,
I'm saying your head's real.
Listen.
Your body's well. I mean, like, listen.
Baby, I know. Go ahead, throw the insult, baby.
Auntie, I'm just saying, as a nigga, right?
Auntie.
If I look at you right now, guys don't give a fuck
Baby,
about what the fuck you think.
baby, I'm not here to get your validation. What you think? Just go jack off, man.
Up to you, though.
Hey, man,
Up to
put
you,
your hands on your
though.
pants and jack off,
I
man.
would rather drive with hot sauce than to fuck you.
Damn.
Baby, what do it then? I mean, baby, you can do that 24 hours a
Hey,
day. I mean, y'all
Tabasco,
already.
Crystal Light.
Hey, baby, y'all already addicted to porn.
Hey,
Y'all
listen.
stick. Hey, Charleston White said y'all will stick y'all shit in the
Hey,
gas
listen,
tank, so it don't matter.
If you was on porn, you would solve that problem.
You in your feelings, lady? Y'all in your feelings?
Hey,
I understand,
just
baby.
be on a porn website, you would instantly
Baby,
all men for joining the
baby,
porn
you
site.
can't even talk right. Come on, get your
Hey,
words out,
look,
baby.
you can't look right. Look right first, and then I won't talk right.
Baby, how I look ain't got nothing to do with your special
The
education,
more
baby.
I listen to you, the more I drink.
That's a speech impediment. That's a speech impediment.
Hey, listen, you have a look impediment.
No.
Baby, move your tongue right. You got a lazy tongue, baby.
Move your eyes right. God damn.
Well, put your hand in your pants and jack it out, baby, while you're trying to talk.
Stand up, give me a twirl.
No,
Show your body.
baby, you don't work that. You ain't work that. No, baby. I know it's hard on you, baby. I understand.
I mean,
Hey, man.
you got me hard.
You can't get yourself hard, baby. It's okay.
Hey, listen.
You got ED early. Ain't nobody tripping about
Yeah,
that.
What the fuck?
you should know. Way in the water.
What the fuck,
my
bro?
Yo, this is one of the best back and forth I've seen in a minute on the
it's
show,
good,
bro.
baby. I love
This was
it.
amazing.
I love it.
I'm trying to remember what the fuck it was originally, man, but she goes on random tangents, bro.